All right, I'm about to take the sporcle wingspan quiz. 180 birds to guess, 20 minutes. I'm hoping I can do okay. My goal is maybe around 100. I'd like to get more than half at least, but no way I'm gonna get even close to all of them. Um, but it'll be easier at least than the Rolling Stone one because this one's objective. You know, there are things you disagree with in the Rolling Stone test, and then you're surprised that they're on there, or that some things are not. So let's get started. The wingspan birds play quiz. All right, here we go. I'm going to start with the ravens. I don't think it's case sensitive. There's Chihuahuan raven. We also want American raven. No American raven. Okay. American crow. There's American crow. How about fish crow? Oh, I'm missing a raven. How about a magpie? I think it's called a black-billed magpie. Yep, those are like crows. All right, I'm missing a raven, but I don't I don't remember which one. Um, I thought it was American raven. Oh, common raven. There we go. All right, let's do birds of prey now. Bald eagle. My favorite bird, the osprey. The peregrine falcon. American kestrel. Other birds of prey, the golden eagle. 8-point bird. How about the red-shouldered hawk? The ferruginous hawk. Red-tailed hawk. The kestrel. The gray eagle. Is that on there? No. Maybe it's gray. No. Any other hawks or eagles? Golden eagle. Goshawk? Oh. Well, there's a grosbeak. Oh, but it's something grosbeak. I don't remember what. Alright, let's get the Atlantic puffin. We got the trumpeter swan. Oh, birds of prey, we'll do owls. The great horned owl. It's probably the highest point owl, I think. Barn owl. Burrowing owl? Oh, okay. Barn owl. I'm forgetting an owl for sure. Maybe multiple owls. I'm not going to get close to 100. This is hard. Snowy owl. Barn owl. Tawny owl. No. Screech owl. Oh. Night owl? I don't think that's even a real. Alright, moving on from owls. I don't remember any more owls. Let's go to, purple. Gallinule. Seagull. I don't think it's called seagull. No, I think it's called Franklin skull. Yeah. Purple gallinule. The black crowned night heron. Nice. Great blue heron. Green heron. Ninga. How do you spell that? There it is. Aninga. Spotted. Sandpiper. Killdeer. Let's go with the scissor-tailed flycatcher. That's on the box. Oh, there's another flycatcher. I don't remember what it's called, though. We can do woodpeckers. I know one is the pileated woodpecker. That's a woodpecker. That's not gonna work. Woodpecker. There we go. Red-billed wood. Red-beaked woodpecker. I don't know. There's another woodpecker. I don't remember what it's called. Yeah, and then hummingbirds. They're hummingbirds, but I don't remember. They're like, it's a special kind of hummingbird. I don't remember the names though. American goldfinch. How can I forget the Baltimore Oriole? Let's do our nuthatches. We got a pygmy nuthatch. White-breasted nuthatch. Yellow chat. That's not a thing. We should have peacocks in this game. They don't have peacocks. Do they? Oh, there's a roadrunner. But it's not just a roadrunner, huh? It's like an American roadrunner. Prairie roadrunner. Oh, I don't remember what kind of roadrunner it is. It's worth 7 points, though. Let's go some ducks. Mallard duck. Oh, just mallard. Wood duck. Crested cormorant. I'm 100% sure the crested cormorant is in the game. Did I spell it wrong? Did I spell it cormorant? Huh. That's odd. The roseate spoonbill? It's got a pink power. Oh, that reminds me of the cowbird, which also has pink power. Okay. How about the common grackle? American robin. Let's do our tufted titmouse. And our juniper titmouse. House finch. Sparrow. It's got a different name. It's not just called a sparrow. Finch. House wren. There we go. Here's one. The cardinal. American cardinal. A red cardinal. Oh man. Blue jay. Hooded warbler. American woodcock. It's a 9-point bird. That cardinal's gonna bother me. Oh man, I'll be lucky to break 80, let alone 100. I was so overconfident. Kingfisher. The common kingfisher. There's a kingfisher, I just don't know what it's called. Western. Yeah. How about the California quail? There we go. Oh, we got wild turkey. Turkey vulture. California condor. Got the trumpeter swan already. The purple gallinule. Pretty sure we already got. Puffin. The prothanary warbler. Alright, I'm 100% sure that bird is in the game. I don't know how to spell it. It's a bummer. Filtering warbler. Let's got our titmice. Spoonbill. Now I'm like stuck. Can't think of any more. There are more. Bronzed cowbird. Yes, it was bronzed the whole time. All right, that's 50. I consider that a milestone. Mallard. Oh, the spotted. There it is. Black-throated warbler. Maybe it's yellow-throated. Nope. Yellow-throated warbler, no. House wren, let's see. I'm missing so many birds. Quail. 8 minutes left. Wow, really hit a wall here. Ruddy duck. I'm just thinking of like state birds and stuff now. Birds that I've seen. Eastern bluebird. Yeah! Oh, let's get our buntings. Our painted bunting. And our Zuli bunting. I mean, I've played this game a lot, but I have a hard time thinking of more. Still have 7 minutes, though. So many forest birds that I'm missing. Oh, let's get the sandhill crane. There's one. I already get a barn owl? Alright, got it, I think. That roadrunner's killing me too, because I know there's a roadrunner. What else is in there? What if I just put common finch? No. House finch, house wren, I've got. I'm going to see how bird right now. Maybe I think powers. Who gives free worms? Maybe it's a red-bellied woodpecker. Yes! Red-bellied woodpecker, that's what it was. Oh. Ah, I can see one in my head. I can see what it looks like, but I can't think of the name. Loggerhead shrike. What a name. Shrike 58. I'm not even going to get half these birds. There's so many ducks that I don't remember because I never played ducks. Yeah, so many of these just have like normal names, like plain chimney swift. That's one. Uh, if you guys watch this, you're probably gonna be like saying all the names of these birds, like this bird, that are so obvious, and I'm just forgetting them because my brain is smooth like a pearl, like a wet pearl. It's slimy, like a just a big slimy, like a liver. My brain is like a liver, like just a slimy meat, no folds and wrinkles. And it's roomy. Like the cavity of my skull, it's like a big dome, and the brain is just kind of like sitting in the bottom middle, and it's got all this space around it. We're just never eased in, never got comfortable. Wetland. I'm excited to see all the birds that I forgot about because there's like 120 of them now. I want to get another one or two. Come in here and know what else. Oh. Hooded merganser. Yeah, mergansers. It's the cormorant is killing me. I know there's a crested cormorant in the game. I'm 100% sure of it. I just don't know how to spell it right. But I'm at 60. That's a third of them. That's pretty bad. But if this were baseball, it would be pretty good. But if it were in school, it would be very bad. Carolina. Chickadee. I'm thinking of state names now. Carolina. Mississippi Queen. Blackbird. Common blackbird. Reaching now. Um, Chimney swift. There's got to be big stuff in the grasslands that I'm missing. I got the scissor-tailed flycatcher. Green flycatcher. I'm missing a flycatcher for sure. I don't remember what it's called though. Any big point birds? I remember the ones worth a lot of points because I always go for those. Oh, there's a cerulean warbler. Yeah. Thinking of colors now. Purple, blue, green heron. Mostly got all those. I think one more before timer runs out. Any predators that I forgot? Hummingbirds, I forget what they're called specifically. Common merganser? Ah, there's one. Yeah, common merganser. Alright, well that's it. 63. Acorn woodpecker, American redstart, barred owl. Okay. Black vulture. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Okay. A lot of these I actually don't ever remember seeing. So, broad-winged hawk I've forgotten all about. Carolina wren I remember. Clark's nutcracker, Cooper's hawk, downy woodpecker, eastern screech owl. I had screech owl, but there's the other flycatcher, the great crested flycatcher, hermit thrush. Upset I forgot that one. Mountain chickadee. Yellow-bellied sapsucker. Oh, I thought about that one earlier today too, and I forgot. There's the grosbeak. It's rose-breasted. I couldn't figure out. Red-eyed vireo. Red-breasted nuthatch. Yeah, I got the white one. It was a northern cardinal. That's what it was, northern cardinal. Didn't I try like every direction, like eastern and western cardinal, American cardinal maybe? Some of these I don't feel that bad about. Greater prairie chicken. Oh, there was a prairie chicken. Dickasul. Brown-headed cowbird. Bobolink. Barred sparrow, I remember. Ash-throated flycatcher. It's a greater roadrunner. That's what it was. Greater roadrunner. Not that great, honestly, because it only tucks cards that are less than 50 centimeters. Yeah. Swainson's hawk. I forgot about Swainson's hawk. A lot of these are just the tiny point birds that I never play, so I forgot about a lot of them. Belted kingfisher. There's the kingfisher I was looking for. American avocet, I do remember. Man, if I just remembered the word American, I could have gotten. Well, I did try that, but black skimmer. Ah, pelican. I'm dumb for not remembering pelican. Double crested cormorant. There's 2 crests. I only got one of the crests. It's a double crested cormorant. Great egret. Northern shoveler. I remember a lot of these. Yeah. Ring-billed gull. Tree swallow. The ibis. Whooping crane. Willet. Mississippi kite. Northern indigo bunting. I got lazuli bunting, but not indigo bunting. Darn. Dark-eyed junco. Prothonotary warbler. Really? Oh, I've been saying it wrong the whole time. It's not prothonary, it's prothonotary warbler, and that's why I didn't get that one. Red-haired purple martin. Can't even remember my own last name. Bush tit. How could I forget bush tit? I got the titmouses, the titmice. Eastern kingbird, eastern phoebe, gray catbird. Morning dove. That one shouldn't be too hard to remember. Okay, yeah, a lot of these I wasn't even close to thinking of. I think with the... So I'm like, yeah, 63. I think the warbler and a couple others that I like misspelled or whatever put me around 65. Pretty bad. Just 35%. Not even average. Look how bad I am. Average score is 36. Oh, what the heck? I want to see the stats. A lot of people did worse, but many people did better. Best ever is 138. That's crazy. That's James Webb right there. This is the James Webb score. I'm sure of it. Somebody got 1. That poor stupid child. Cool. I hope you guys did better than I did. I'm pretty disappointed, honestly. It's my fault. When I play the game, I don't pay attention to the weak birds, the birds with smaller points. I don't learn them that well. All the ones I guessed were like the birds of prey, the big point birds, the ravens, all the really important ones. But I guess I'm not paying enough attention to the birds that I discard or the other players play to get their engines going. Might win more if I knew them better.